White's objective here is to save these 4 stones on the corner by capturing these 3 black stones. So as always, the only way to capture is by cutting, like this. And now, this stone right here is White's best friend, because this will allow White to play this move, right? This is a potential snapback. So Black must capture number 7, which means this will be a fake eye for Black. So Black really can't connect now. If Black connects, White will throw in again, and this will be a connect and die for Black, like this, or this. So Black's best move is not to play at number 10, right? Just leave it here and play this. This will be the correct variation. So the key really is number 5. If number 5 is here, then this will be a real eye. This will be a real eye, and this throw in will be useless. So that's why you need to slow down a little bit and be really careful. Really use this stone on the 2-1 point and form a snapback. This way, this will be a fake eye. So overall, not a very difficult problem. It's always cutting, throwing in, and creating connect and die situations for your opponent. In this situation, you need to know how to use this stone on the first line and form a potential snapback to make this into a fake eye. And that's the key to this problem. Thank you for watching.